Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start real estate photography with Snappr easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your journey into real estate photography with Snappr, start by creating an account on their platform. Visit the Snappr website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required details to register your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the Snappr dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features available, such as booking photographers and accessing photography tips. Next, ensure you have the right equipment for real estate photography. A DSLR or mirrorless camera is ideal for capturing high-quality images. Consider using a wide-angle lens to showcase rooms and spaces effectively. Now it's time to prepare for your first shoot. Contact a local real estate agent or a homeowner who's looking to sell their property. Arrange a date and time for the photo shoot that works for both parties. Before the shoot, do a thorough walkthrough of the property. Identify key areas that need to be highlighted, such as the living room, kitchen, and outdoor space. On the day of the shoot, arrive early to set up your equipment. Start by taking exterior shots of the property, capturing it from multiple angles. Move indoors and focus on each room, using natural light whenever possible. Make sure to capture details like flooring, fixtures, and unique features. For rooms that lack adequate light, consider using additional lighting or flash. After taking photos, review your captures to ensure you have a variety of shots. Once you're satisfied with the images, upload them to your Snappr account. Use Snappr's editing tools to enhance your photos. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and colors as needed. Pay attention to any perspective corrections, especially in wide-angle shots. When you are finished editing, save the images in high resolution. Next, prepare to share your photos with the real estate agent or homeowner. Create a digital portfolio to showcase your work on the Snappr platform. Include your best images and descriptions for potential clients to view. Join online communities or local groups related to real estate photography. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.